Welcome to Toodles World. Thank you if you're new to my channel. Hello and welcome back. I'm gonna say Alzheimer's. If you're already new to my channel, I'm gonna call you an Alzheimer, even if you may be young, but you're still gonna be an Alzheimer just like me. I got a PR package from Macy's. I'm on Macy's PR where they send me little free samples of perfumes. As you can tell, there's my perfume sample little thing. If you open the lid of it smells heavenly. And some of the perfumes, I usually get duplicates, which is okay because I really don't know what to send me, but they usually send me duplicates. They send me this, that looks like inside, sorry. They send me Love Your Fragrance Samples by Macy's. Eventually, scan your code. When I go shopping, I can scan my code, take this, scan my code. But there is a perfume that I definitely want to buy, and it is by Giorgio Armani. I think that's what it's by. Yeah, Giorgio Armani, and it is for example, it's right. I got another one. I have so many of them. It is My Way by Giorgio Armani. I love this perfume so much that I keep telling my husband I would love to get a full size of this perfume. But I'm thinking, because I don't know about this one. This one doesn't. Ew. This one doesn't smell like the other ones. It smells like poo water. I have this one. I don't know. This one does not smell like the other ones I have in there, but then I have this one by Giorgio Armani. Let's see what it smells like. Sometimes you get them and they do. Hopefully. This one smells like cinnamon. It smells good, but it kind of smells a little like cinnamon. But that My Way don't. I don't like the way that My Way smells. So no. Then we have this one by Jean Paul. Never heard of it. Okay, this one don't smell that bad either. I want to do something here. Oh. I don't know. Over here it smells like poo water. But when it's sprayed over here, it don't smell like it. Maybe it's something else I have on my hand, but this don't smell that bad either. Then we have this one by Victor whatever. I wonder if some of these aren't for men. But it says. Ooh, that one don't smell that bad. This one does not smell bad at all. And of course, I always get this one, Viva La Juicy. I have tons of this one. I definitely would like to buy this one too. This one smells good. And the last one we got was Dolce Gabbana Devotion. The new one. This is a new perfume that just was talking about that came out. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. This one smells heavenly too. I definitely want My Way. That is one that I definitely want. Is the My Way. I definitely want My Way. Macy knows that My Way is one of the perfumes I want. So I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get free perfume samples like this and get on the PR regimen, go check out and see what you can do. You can go to Macy's.com and sign up to get the free samples and test out perfumes, and they'll send you as many as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They send you 6 perfumes to pick. You decide which one you want. You can use the code and go buy it. If you don't use the code and you don't pick it up, they know you don't care for them perfumes, I'm sure. So, until next time, bye guys!